All parties Hurriyat Conference has voiced deep concern over the unsettling atmosphere created by the nightly raids conducted by the Indian forces on the residences of the peace-loving leaders and activists in the occupied Kashmir. In a statement issued in Srinagar, APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas condemned the nocturnal house raids, property attachments and arrest of the innocent youth by the Indian forces. Under the garb of controlled crime, the State Investigation Agency has intensified its crackdowns in occupied Kashmir with a series of coordinated raids in league with other Indian agencies. Operations were conducted in Islamabad, Shopian and Kulgam districts. Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian regime has confiscated the properties of two more civilians in the Baramulla district. BJP regime seized the land valued of lakhs belonging to Muhammad Arif and Muhammad Bashir in Uri area of the district. National Conference leadership has expressed strong criticism of the Bharatiya Janata Party's policies in the occupied Kashmir. Farooq Abdullah delivered a powerful address at a rally in the Karna. He condemned the BJP's policies. A young man lost his life after coming under an avalanche in Handwara area of the Kupwara district. A young man identified as Ishfaq Ahmed came under an avalanche in the Lakshmi Post, the official said. Senior APHC AJK leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani has expressed concern over the dire conditions faced by the Kashmiri political prisoners and under trial inmates in occupied Kashmir. In a letter addressed to the various human rights organizations, Rahmani highlighted the severe mental and physical trauma endured by these detainees.